And today I'm really excited to show you about how to remove a background from a photo that you have. Now I'm going to show you how to do it digitally, so if you have it in a hard copy photo, you're going to need to take a picture of it or scan it into your computer and get it as a digital file. And the first thing you're going to need to do is get Canva, and if you don't have it, they have a free version. However, to do background removing from pictures, you have to have the pro version. I think it's $12.99 a month. You can do it for 1 month, cancel it, or you can even get a discount if you sign up for a whole year plan. But if you want to follow along with this tutorial, you'll have to get the Canva Pro. And if you don't have it yet, you can click the link in the description or the comments, and that's my affiliate link, and you can sign up with that, and it'll actually help me support me in creating more amazing videos for you, more tutorials, and I'm excited to show you how to do this today. So you can see I created this cover photo for my video in Canva, and you can see here that the left side had a background, and I easily removed it, and actually I added this checkerboard background behind that because I think it looks cool, and that's what it kind of looks like for a PNG file. So this is a great thing to do when you have, you have me here, and I can actually put me on top of me, right? So we're going to bring it to the front so I could have me in all kinds of places. Oops. I want to get rid of this block. I want to get rid of this, get rid of that, so I can copy myself and paste my image without any background noise in front of any other image, which is really a great feature to have. And Canva makes it really easy. I used to use Photoshop a lot, and I loved it. I used it for a couple decades, I think, but I've 100% switched over to Canva because it's so easy to use, and I love it. All right, so I'm going to get started and get rid of all this other stuff that I have here that we don't need. And we're going to focus just on this picture here. All right, there's a lady up here that doesn't have clothes on in the picture that's above my head, so I'm going to keep her up in the corner so you can't really see anything. Okay, that's at my hairdresser's anyway, so my hair was looking super good that day. John Kale, shout out to you at September Salon in Morgantown, West Virginia. He's an amazing hairdresser. So anyway, that's why my hair looks so good in the picture. And now I'm going to show you how to delete this picture. I've just kind of rambled on, right? The first thing you want to do is open your file. You click on the picture and go to Edit Image on the left side and click Remove Background. And it's almost like magic. Look at this. Voila. No background behind me anymore. Isn't that the coolest? So I'm going to show you with another photo that has like a busier background. We're going to do some tests and see how it works. So I open up this background, and that looks pretty complicated, right? Like the lady has curly hair. There are all these bushes and grass. So it's probably going to cut out the bushes and the sky, but I'm not sure what's going to happen. So it's a little bit of a test to see how it goes. This is a pretty complex photo. I'm not sure if it's going to remove the camera or the glass, or if it's just going to leave the people. I'm pretty excited to see the end result. Okay, let's see. The lady with blue hair eating her watermelon. Oh, and there's me. Okay, great. So they've removed the trees, the grass, and the best part of all is I'm going to shrink myself down here, and I'm going to have some of her watermelon, and I'm joining the picnic with these two lovely people. So it's so easy to insert yourself into a photo. If you want to move me to the front, I'll go to position and click backward. If I want to go forward, I'll click forward, Oh, it's not going to make me forward because I have them clicked. Okay, so the couple is clicked, highlighted. You can see the blue box around the picture. So I'm going to move them backwards and put me in the front. I'll put myself by the mimosa right here. All right, so I'll show you another one. Let's do a nice scene with some dancing ladies. We're going to go to the position in the right hand upper corner on desktop. We're going to put them backward, and look at this. I am one of the dancing ladies in the corner that's wearing a black tank top and not a white dress, because that is my uniform that I wear every day almost. So anyway, I'm glad that you guys could see how to insert yourself into random people's pictures, and you can also delete backgrounds from your images. It's really great. Oh, and one more thing I need to show you. So I want to delete these people here, these ladies. Bye-bye. Here's me. Now I want to show you how to save this. In the download file area with the little arrow pointing down, I actually made that on an MP4 video, which I don't need a video because it's just a flat image. So I'm going to let's make it into a JPEG and see what happens. All right, we're going to download it here. We're going to open it up, and you can see, oh, it still has white behind it. So what if we want to get rid of that white? The thing you need to do is go back to Canva, and I'll show you how to get rid of that white background and have zero background. You'll go to download, pick your file type. You need to pick PNG high quality, and then click a transparent background, and then download that. So we will check out this next one. Oh, actually, oh, okay, you can see the difference here. It's very subtle, right? It's slightly gray, so there's no background on it. When the background was white, that means there's a background there. If it's gray, like the rest of the screen in the preview, that means there's no background. And to prove it to you, we can open up another image. I'll take this lovely couple relaxing here. Look at those two lovely ladies. All right, now I'm going to upload the picture that I just created. And I got to find that. And that will be the second image, is a PNG file. Okay, so it's in my uploads. And you can see right here on the left side, there's no background on me. So here I am hanging with the ladies. I'm going to try to get some attention here too. So, all right. So anyway, you can see how you can easily insert yourself into a photo and resize yourself to fit just like you're in the image, just like you're there. All right, so it's signing off again, Dina Colada, with a Canva tutorial on how to delete your background images. If you like this video, please click and subscribe to my channel so you know when my next videos are coming up. And if you have questions, please put it in the comments, because I love to answer your questions and reply to every comment personally. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.